Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you what would be considered as a chest telephone or a box telephone. These were put out by Deco Tel. And you could acquire these through the telephone company back in the day, and they were made really well. Deco Tel made some really fantastic stuff, and Ted sent this in from New Jersey, and we're going to show you a little bit of this telephone. I didn't find a note in Ted's box, but I think he's emailed me and some information, and I'll have to contact him because although we talked about what was some of the problems with this telephone, I deal with so many customers that it's hard to remember every one of them, each individual problem. And I like to talk to customers about every little issue so that we get everything squared away. And I'm going to show you the inside of this telephone. This telephone is in good shape for its age. It's made real well, and it's very heavy. And this is actually made better than some of them that I have seen, but they're all made well. And this is the rotary one. And that gives you some kind of a look at it. Now this telephone basically works, but we have to still go through it a little bit and make sure everything is working. I know the bell does not work because I have it apart, and I'm going to kind of show you. I want to show you the bottom of this telephone. Everything is intact, all of the stickers, and as you can see, it's a Deco Tel. It's a 2141 model. And it was a hardwired phone at one time, meaning it didn't have a modular plug here, but somebody installed one on the inside, and I wanted to talk to Ted about that, because what we have here is they brought a modular cord in, and they brought it through the opening, and they have it a plastic tie here, but they have all this laying next to the bell, the modular port, and all the wires are just kind of everywhere, and they have this laying next to the bell. So what happens here is if the bell did ring, these bells don't ring that great anyway, and anything touching this bell is just going to squelch the bell down. And I love some of these notes here. This one has some wires on it, and it's coming from, say, the hook switch, and it says, have no idea, or have no idea. And that's great. I like that. And this one says, ringer wires. So, and yeah, sure enough, they go right back to the ringer. So, I guess that tag helps some. If you don't look any farther past the tape here that says ringer wire. So anyway, that's pretty funny. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go through this telephone and figure out what we've got. Obviously, someone has been into the telephone, and it just needs a little straightening out. And I know the bell doesn't ring because we've tried that, because here we go. Here's our ringer wires right here. So anyway, we'll be checking this telephone out. This is just the initial checkout, and I have to contact Ted on this telephone to find out exactly what his wishes are on it. So this is a great old telephone. These were made really, really well, and I want to give you a look at it because it's a cool telephone, and collectors love these. But each one of these, there's some of them that are, they made a lot of these, but this is kind of unique. This is the dog and the duck, and you don't see this too often. And I think this actual one I have never seen. I might have had the dog and the duck in here before, but it's not this exact one. So this is a pretty cool thing. All this is carved, or it was molded. So anyway, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. And this gives you a look at a box phone, or what was considered the chest telephone, by Deco Tel. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.